Right. Wait. Okay, right. Listen. So this is very, very important. Read this question once again. I will explain. A simple harmonic motion has an amplitude capital A and a time period capital T. What is the time taken to travel from y equals to a to y equals to a by 2? Small correction, not x equals to a. This is what? Y equals to a to y equals to a by 2. Okay?
Yes, sir. But yesterday we wrote x is equals to a
Right.
and yes, sir.
That's what I'm telling. A small correction, that is x equals to a to y equals to a to y equals to a by 2. Okay? See here,
Sir,
see this.
understood.
Yes, sir.
See this diagram. This is a simple pendulum. So this is example of simple harmonic motion. This is what the mean position. So mean the x equals to what, Nana? 0, right? So this is the mean position and this is what the extreme position. So extreme position means what? The maximum displacement of a particle. So that is nothing but amplitude. Okay, x equals to a. This is x equals to d, 0. So here what happens, Nana? The particle. So what is the time taken to travel from particle from where? From y equals to a to y equals to a by 2. This is a by 2. Okay, no. Y equals a to a by 2. How much time it will take to travel from this position to what, Nana? This position. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
All right. That is what the question they are asked, right? Now see here. So I will take the reference circle. This is the reference circle, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is a reference circle. So this is the x-axis, and this is what an x negative x dash x-axis. This is y-axis. This is the negative y-axis. This is what the mean position. Okay, mean position. Okay, origin. Okay, now tell me where the particle is. First, the particle is at y equals to a.
Y.
Okay, na? Y equals to a.
Yes, sir.
You know, actually, what is the radius of the reference circle, Nana? Very, very important.
Amplitude, sir. Amplitude.
Amplitude, sir. Amplitude A, sir.
Radius of the
A.
reference circle.
Yes, sir.
Circle is nothing but what? Its amplitude of the
Amplitude,
particle.
sir.
Which is executing
Particle.
simple harmonic motion. Okay, na? Right. The radius is nothing but small r equals to what, Nana? Capital A. Is it fine? Okay.
Capital A.
Now tell me.
Yes,
So here, this is, for example, this is. Okay. Now the particle will be here, na? Y equals to A means, Nana, on y-axis. And then, y
Yes,
equals to
sir.
A.
Yes, sir.
So this is, initially, this is the particle will be here. P initial. Okay, Nana? From this is the mean position. This is what the total distance from here to here. What is, how much run it is? Capital A. And then,
Capital A.
Yes,
Right.
Sir.
Now what happens?
Very-
The particle will be at y equals to a by 2. Y equals to a by 2 means this is what the middle point, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Middle point.
Right? The midpoint. For example, this is what
Half of the
midpoint.
amplitude, no, sir.
Half of the amplitude. The corresponding particle will be on the circle. This is the final position of the particle, PF. Okay. This is P initial, this is PF, P final. Okay. What is this distance, Rana, from here to here? The distance will be A by 2. And then,
A by 2.
Yes,
A
sir.
by
A.
2.
Yes, sir. A by 2.
Yes,
So
sir. A by
here,
2.
what they're asking, how much time taken to travel from a particle from P initial to P final? This is the question they're asking, right?
Initial. Yes, sir.
Okay, no.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
fine? You know already.
Fine.
So if you, for example, this is the point A. I will take one more, another pen. This is, for example, point to, for example, what should I take? This is point P. I will take. This is point Q. I am taking PQ. Okay, and I'm combining this This, okay. I joined Q and O. Okay, now I joined one and Q and O. Now tell me.
To
Now tell
and
me.
fro.
Okay, Nana. Here, so here this is O, P, Q. For example, this is S I'm taking. Okay, Nana. S I'm taking. Here, what is the angle, Nana? This is the P initial, and this is what P final. The angle between the P initial and P final is called what? Theta, angular displacement. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is
Yes,
what
sir.
angular displacement. So that's why this is what theta. Okay, na? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will redraw that diagram. I will redraw this diagram here. See. Okay, right? This is O. This is, for example, S. This is what on a Q. What
Q.
about the distance OS? What about the distance OS? Nana?
A,
Is equals to A by 2,
A
sir.
by 2.
A by 2.
This is angle theta. Okay. What is the distance OQ? What is the distance of OQ?
A, sir.
Very good.
A, sir.
Why it is
A,
A?
sir.
Nothing but it is the radius of the reference circle equals to its
Radius of
amplitude.
the reference circle, sir.
Okay, Nana? Right.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
what
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to find, actually, what is our aim? Please tell me. What is our aim?
Initial point to
Find the
find the
distance.
To find
to
distance.
find the time traveled.
We have to
Ah.
find time.
We have to
Travel,
find
sir.
the time
What is
taken. Okay, now we have to find the time taken to travel. Okay, now we have to find the time taken to travel from a particle from initial position to what, Nana? Final position. Okay, now if you want to find out to this
Final
T,
position.
okay, now actually by definition of angular displacement, by definition, what is angular displacement? Angular
Sir,
displacement.
omega t, sir.
Omega T, sir.
Angular displacement, which is denoted by theta, is nothing but
Theta
omega
is
into
equal
T.
to omega t.
Okay, right. So here, if you want to find out T, so T nothing but what, na? Theta by
T is equal to
omega.
theta by
Theta
omega.
by omega, sir.
Understood?
By
Right.
omega.
Right. I'm going to find out the angular displacement theta. So from this, in this triangle what, na? OSQ, from triangle OSQ. So this is what adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. So which type of trigonometric ratio I have to use?
Cos theta, sir. Cos theta.
Right.
Cos
So we
theta,
have to
sir.
use cos theta. Cos theta equals to what, Nana? Adjacent side that
Adjacent
is
by
OS.
adjacent side by
Adjacent side
hypotenuse, sir.
by
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse is by
That implies
O.
cos theta equals to OS is nothing but what, Nana? A by 2.
OS
And
is
this is A.
equal to A.
So from this we can write cos theta equals to what, Nana? 1 by 2. Okay.
1 by 2, sir.
Cos theta equals to, this is what 1 by 2 is nothing but what, Nana? Cos 60 degrees. Then
Cos 60.
cos 60, or
Cos
we can write cos
60, sir.
pi by 3. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Cos pi by 3.
Yes,
If you
sir.
compare
Pi
on
by
both
3.
sides,
3 by 3.
what is theta? Theta equals to what, Nana? Pi by 3.
Pi by
Theta equals to what?
Pi
Pi
by
by
3.
Okay, na? And also, you know, what is omega? Omega equals to
Omega. Omega is
2 pi by
Angular
t.
Pi by
velocity.
t, sir.
Therefore, the time taken to travel the particle from y equals a to y equals a by 2, that is t, is nothing but what, Nana? Theta by omega. Theta by omega. T equals to what is theta, Nana?
Omega.
Theta is pi by 3.
Pi
What is omega?
by 3, sir.
2 pi by
2
t.
pi by t. By t, sir.
2
Okay.
pi by t.
So here we can write t equals to pi by 3 into t by 2 pi pi get cancelled. T equals to T by 6 seconds. Okay. T equals to T by 6 seconds. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
time taken to travel a particle from y equals a to y equals to a by 2.
A by
Okay.
2.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I understood,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. Fine,
Right.
sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir. No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Listen. Next question. Second one. Same concept. I will tell you. Remaining, I will give homework. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next same question, Anna. In this also, write down time taken to travel. Time taken to travel from y equals to 0 to y equals to a by 2. Y equals to 0 to y equals to a by 2. I will explain this and remaining I will give you homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So if you want to do this problem, what we have to take now? We have to take the reference circle. Right. This is the reference circle I'm taking.
Sir.
Okay. So this is x-axis. This is what on y-axis. Now tell me where the particle is. Initially, where the particle is. Y equals to 0. Antena.
Y is equal to
Y
sir.
equals to
Yes,
0
sir.
means
Y
here
equals to
only na.
0.
Y equals 0 means here only na.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Condition, no, sir.
Here at the center. The particle will be at the center. The corresponding particle and the reference circle will be here now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is what
Yes,
P
sir.
initial. Okay. Now where the particle is at y equals to a by 2. The total radius is capital A. You know already. Y equals to a by 2 means this is the midpoint na.
Midpoint, sir. Y is equals to
Okay.
A by 2.
Y equals a by 2 means the corresponding particle will where the particle will be. The particle will be here. This is what P final.
P final.
Okay. So the time taken to travel a particle from P initial to what na? P final. How much time
P
it
final.
will take? This is what we are going to find. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So here. So okay. Okay. See here, this is P initial. This is what P final. So the angle between the P initial and P final is called what? Theta. Antena. Angular displacement. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Right? See here
Theta
also
is
we need to
equals
find
to
out
omega t.
solution. Solution. We need to find out T. T is nothing but what? Theta by omega. Antena. Theta by
omega, sir.
omega.
Yes.
So in this triangle,
Omega.
for example, triangle O, for example, this is P, this is more than a Q. Okay, PQ. If you draw a perpendicular from Q onto P, so I will draw this. Okay. So for example, this is O, this is for example Q, this is P, Nana. This is P, for example. What are the letters you want to take, you can take, no problem. Okay. I will redraw this triangle here. right? The same triangle I written here. This is O, this is P, this is what on a Q, this is what your theta, na? This is what your theta. What is OP,
Yes,
Nana?
Theta.
Okay, na?
Sir.
Tell me what is
Sir,
OQ?
amplitude.
OQ is nothing but what, Nana? Radius nothing but A. And what is this PQ? PQ is nothing but corresponding this point.
A by 2, sir. A by 2.
A by 2. Right, right. See, from this triangle, this is opposite side, and this is what your hypotenuse. So means which type of trigonometry ratio we have to use?
Cos theta, sir.
Sin theta, sir.
Opposite. Very good. We have to use sin
Sin
theta.
theta.
Sin theta, sir.
Okay.
Opposite side
Sin
by
theta equals
hypotenuse.
to
Hypotenuse.
PQ by OQ. Okay.
PQ by OQ, sir.
Sin theta equals what is PQ, Nana? PQ
Q
is
is equal to
A by 2.
A by
A
A
get cancelled.
A by 2 by A.
2, sir.
Sin theta equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2
1
means
by
what, Nana? We
1
can
by
write
2.
sin
Sin
30,
30.
sir. Sin 30.
Sin
So
30,
means
sir.
sin pi by 6. Okay.
Pi by 6.
Yes, sir. Sin pi by
Yes, sir.
six.
Theta equals to pi by 6 radians. Theta equals pi by
Pi
6
by 6
radians.
radians.
Therefore, finally we need time, right? The time is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
T equals
T is
to
equals to 2
T
pi
is
theta
equals
by
to
omega.
theta
theta by omega, sir.
Theta is pi by 6.
Pi by
Omega
6 is equals to 2 pi
2
by
pi
3.
by
sir.
T.
pi by
2 pi by T, sir.
Pi by 6
Pi
2
by
pi by
into
T is equals
T
to
by 2 pi. Pi get
T by
cancelled.
12.
Pi get cancelled, sir.
T by 12
T by
seconds.
T
By 12
seconds.
T by 12 seconds.
T by 12 seconds. This is the time taken to travel the particle from the given position to the final position. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Fine,
Right?
sir.
Okay, right. Next, the third one. Third one. The third one is time taken to travel from y equals to a by 2 to y equals to a. Y equals to a by 2 to what and y equals to a. How much time it will take? You have to explain to me. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
See, again take reference cycle and okay. See here. Y equals to a by 2 to y equals to a. This is x and this is what your y. This is x dash. This is your y dash. This is origin, right? Now tell me where the particle is. Y equals to a means this is the particle position, na?
Y is equals to a by 2, sir.
This is what P initial. Y equals
P
to a by
initial.
2. Sorry.
Yes,
Y
sir.
equals to a by 2 means this is what P initial. Okay, now.
Yes,
P
sir.
initial. P initial.
That is final,
This is
sir.
a by 2. This is P final. Y equals to
A
a.
by 2.
Yes,
A,
See
sir.
here.
A.
Yeah. So corresponding you have to take y equals to a by 2 means corresponding you have to take. This is what the corresponding point. Okay, na? This is what P initial. Okay. So means P initial to P final. How much time it will take? Okay, na? Okay. This is total A. This is what A by 2. Okay. So the angle between P initial and P final is what on a theta, right? So here,
Yes, sir. Theta.
so for this we have to add P initial from the origin. Okay. Actually, this is what the angle theta. This is angle P initial. This is P initial. This is what P final from the origin. This is called what theta. Okay. Called theta. Okay. Now this is what your capital A. And then radius.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. This is A by 2. This is what A by 2. This is what చూడండి. So I will redraw the diagram once again here. Right? This is what this is A by 2. This is actually theta. This is A. This is
Yes,
90
sir.
degree perpendicular. Okay, now. So theta, this side is called opposite side, and this is adjacent side, and this is what
Adjacent side,
hypotenuse.
Sir, we have to
Now-
use cos theta, sir. Cos theta.
Again, we have to use what
cos
cos
theta.
theta.
Cos theta.
Cos theta equals to
Adjacent
adjacent
by
side.
hypotenuse.
A
Adjacent
by
side
2
by
by
hypotenuse.
A. That is 1
A
by
Sir,
by
we get
2.
cos 60, sir. Cos 60.
cos 60 means what cos pi by
Pi.
3.
Pi
Cos
by 3, sir.
Pi by 3, sir.
Theta equals to
Cos theta is
pi by
equal
3.
theta is equals to pi by 3.
Sir, theta is
Now-
equals to
Is equals to
Theta equals
T is
to
equals to theta by
theta by
omega.
omega.
Theta by omega.
Pi by 3
Pi by 3 by 2 pi by 3.
2
pi by t.
sir.
2 pi
Pi by
by
3.
3.
by 3
Cancel.
into
T by
Pi
cancel.
by
Sir,
6,
T by
sir.
3, sir.
Answer.
Answer.
3, sir.
T by 3 seconds.
T by 6
T
seconds.
by 6 seconds,
Okay,
sir.
na? The time taken is how much T by 6 seconds.
6 seconds.
Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Will you do the remaining things?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. We will do, sir.
Yes, sir. We can do.
I will tell you one more final. I will finish and I will conclude. And remaining I will give you homework. The next one is the fourth one is y equals to 0 to y equals to a by root 2. Y equals to 0 to or nana y equals to a by root 2. Okay. Listen carefully. So every time we are going to take what a reference circle, right? This is the reference
Yes,
circle.
sir. Reference circle is X.
So here,
With respect to x-axis and y-axis.
right. So now tell me. So this is what origin. Okay, no. So this
Origin
is
x, y,
x-axis,
Y-axis.
y-axis. Now tell me where the particle is initially y equals to 0. Y equals 0 means this is the position of the particle.
It's
Corresponding on the reference circle is this is the position. Okay, now. For example, this
Yes,
is I
sir,
will
yes.
take as P. I will take.
initial.
Okay, now this is I'm taking as P. Okay. Next to y equals to a by root 2. Y equals to a by root 2.
A by root 2.
A by root 2 means what? This is less than a or what is 1 by root 2 value?
by 2.
Less than A, no, sir.
then A, sir.
Less than a by 2 or not? Greater than a by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Greater than a by 2. Okay, now a by root 2 is nothing but it is greater than a by 2.
A by 2.
A by
Yes,
root
sir.
2 means
Yes, sir.
rationalize. Root 2 and root 2. Okay, now this is nothing but
A by root,
Yes, sir.
root 2
by
times of a by 2, which is greater
Yes,
than a
sir.
by 2. Okay, now for example, this is a by 2. This is what your a by root 2.
A by root 2.
Okay, now the corresponding point on the reference circle is what on a Q. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
what is this value? This is a by
A by
Root two.
A by root 2, sir.
See, this is what your P initial and this is your P final. In this way, P final, right? So I will draw it. Okay, this is P initial. Okay, now P initial and P final, which makes an angle what na theta. This is what your angular displacement. Angular displacement theta. Okay. See here.
Sir, Q is equals to also theta we have to take, no, sir.
No, what is actually theta? Theta is the angle which is made by from the origin to the initial position to the final position. Okay, now
Okay,
Sir.
this
Okay,
is
sir.
initial position. This is what the final position. The angle between them is theta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is theta means we can say it is also theta.
Yes, sir. Alternative opposite
Okay,
angle.
alternative
sir.
opposite angle. This is also theta. So means this
Yes,
is
sir.
theta.
That's what I'm
This is
telling.
A by
sir. It
root
is
2.
equals theta.
This is A by root 2 and this is what OQ is nothing but A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is the
sir.
radius of the reference circle. This is opposite side. This is what Nana hypotenuse. Okay. So means what we have to take again sin
We have to
theta.
take sin theta, sir.
Sin
Sin
theta,
theta
sir.
is what opposite side. A by root 2 by hypotenuse capital A. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. A
Sin
get
Sin theta
answer.
equals to
1 by root 2.
45, sir.
1 by root 2.
Sin theta is
Sin-
equals to 1 by
Sin
root
theta
2,
is
sir.
equal to
45.
Theta
Pi
is
by
equals to pi by 4.
Theta equals to
Sir.
pi by 4
Theta is
radians.
equals to pi by 4.
Theta. T is equals to theta by omega.
Theta by omega. You know everything, right? Very good.
Pi
Pi by
by
4
4
by
pi
Pi by 4 by 2 pi by t, sir.
2
pi by t, sir.
Pi
The
by
answer
omega
t by
into
8
2
seconds, sir.
2 pi.
Pi by 4 into
T by 8 seconds, sir.
2.
Then
Okay.
1 by 4. 8.
T equals to T by 8 seconds. Okay, na.
Seconds.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood,
yes,
sir.
sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
No need to by heart all these values. Okay, just to take the reference circle and point the initial position, final position, and note down the theta value, and you can find it the time taken to travel particle from initial position to what final position. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next time giving these are the homework. Okay. So y equals to a by root 2 to y equals to capital A. Okay. Next